It didn't shred to pieces. So it must be in.
Soon enough.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's that.
Looks like a nail was in there and then popped back out, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yep, that looks like a nail head imprint. So, it can be patched, or is it too close to the side?
It can be patched.
Okay. Well, check the whole baby out. Are you thinking of patching it here and putting it back on?
Thinking.
I thought you were.
Let me get the compressor.
What do you want me to do?
I think I'm going to get the compressor and the patch kit and see if I can make sure that that's where it is.
We could do, I don't have bubbles. We do in the trailer if you wanted to do a soapy water check. We could put the stairs down and I could get some soapy water in the spray bottle I have. Want to do that?
Yeah, let me get the
Okay.
pump also.
I'm going to sign off for now, and we'll film the rest of this at a later point.